How to change file type on Windows 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to search bar and search for folder options. In here, click on File Explorer options. Then click on View, which is beside General and Search. In here, search for Hide Extension for Known File Types Off. Make sure there's no tick mark in Hide Extension. After doing that, simply click on Apply. After clicking on Apply, click on OK. Then you're good to go. After that, you can simply add your file and create shortcut. And then right-click on your file, then click on Rename. After your name, simply click dot. There should be only one dot. If I want to change it to MP3, simply I'll type MP3, click on Enter, and then you find file extension pop up, and that's how you change file type on Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.